So Zack and Mandy shared 120 sweets. After Zack gave Mandy 10 sweets, he had twice as many sweets as Mandy. How many sweets did each of them have at first? Now, hopefully, we're already at question 8, so we've done a few of these questions already. And we start to notice what it is that we're going to draw, what's going to grab our attention. And it's this that grabs our attention. After Zack gave Mandy 10 sweets, he had twice as many sweets as Mandy. So that looks like what we're going to draw. Okay, so we've got Zack and we've got Mandy, and we need to look at who's being compared to whom. Okay, Zack. All right, so after Zack gave Mandy 10 sweets, that's Zack, had twice as many sweets as Mandy. So Mandy's got the sort of basic unit, okay? And we're told that Zack has twice as many as Mandy, okay? So we have captured that bit of information. What we don't have is this bit, okay? Because it says that it was only after Zack gave Mandy 10 sweets that he had twice as many sweets as Mandy. So we need to bear that in mind. Also, note we're told that Zack and Mandy shared 120 sweets. There've been no sweets given away to someone outside, someone who's not Zack and Mandy, and there've been no sweets added that have come, no one's come along to give them some sweets. The sweets have been interchanged. So this model, we know that the whole model has a value of 120 sweets. Okay, now let's think about this. Well, we have these 3 equal parts, okay? So we know that each of these parts, if we wanted to know the value of each of these parts, we would do 120 divided by 3. Okay, and 120 divided by 3 gives us 40. So we know that each of these has a value of 40. Okay. But what we also know is that this situation only arose after Zack gave Mandy 10 sweets. So at some point, well, Max had this extra block here of 10, okay? And he has given those to Mandy. They are now included in this block of Mandy's, which means she used to not have this block here of 10, okay? This is what she had before, okay, which must be 30, obviously, because 40 take away 10 is 30. And this is what Zack had at the beginning. And actually, this is what we're asked. We're asked, how many sweets did each of them have at first? So at first, Mandy had 40 take away the 10, which is 30. And at first, Zack had the 40, add the 40, which is 80, plus 10 is 90. So that's how much Zack had at first. So Mandy had 30 sweets and Zack had 90 sweets.